warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure that we know this thing because we've been familiar with it. This thing I'm talking about is social media. Social media. What is social media? Basically, social media is a place for people sharing their thoughts relating to what's happened these days. Not only that, people also use social media for fun reasons like sharing their moments with friends, family, and etc. And the most popular or most users platform social media users is Facebook. Because according to Google, Facebook is the most popular social media platform with 2.6 billion monthly active users as of this year. But aside of that, social media does have a shortage. For example, the problem that social media users have experienced at least once is that their social media account got hacked. And there's a cases where a hacker come into their social media account. Like for example, a few years ago, Amnesty International Twitter account got hacked by some random hackers. And you might be wondering how those hackers did that. Well, it's simply there are two ways of how hackers do 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 those things. Number one is called phishing. Phishing is a hacking method where a hacker impersonated a trusted company or individual to gain our confidential data that we saved in our phone. Usually, this type of hacking, we can find it on email and text messaging. But once we click the URLs, it could take our personal information. Number two, Bluetooth hacking. Hackers could come to our phone with an operating Bluetooth connection via special software products. They can hack our phone simply with an operating Bluetooth connection, and when hackers is in range with our phone, hacker's phone could hack our social media account and our private information data. Usually, this type of hacking, we can find it on populated area like streets, mall, and etc. But how can we prevent these hacker from hacking our phone? If we can, how we do it? Number one, avoid unsecured public Wi-Fi because hackers often targeting our private information, for example, our bank accounts. Number two, use a protection or security app. Like for example, there's an app called Doctor Safety because in the app there's three features which can protect our phone. For example, anti-phishing, anti-theft, and anti-disturbance. These two ways is very effective from keeping safe our private information from hackers. My conclusion is, protect your phone all the time when you use it, so that it can protect all of your personal information too. And I would like to quote something that related to this topic. Saving your privacy is like saving your treasures. So that's my speech about the social media threat and our privacy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.